us criminal defense attorney Karen Nance and former criminal defense attorney who represented Jodi Arias, Kirk Nurmi. And because you represented Jodi Arias, Kirk, I want to start with you first. What are your thoughts about this sentence? Now, again, she was facing life on the murder 2 conviction and up to 15 years on the other conviction. She only got 16. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I do think she definitely got off light. And, I think the biggest reason, we can talk about all different kinds of theoretical reasons, but, Missouri has that unique process where the jury recommends the sentence, right? And so we heard this plea about her children, about her lack of criminal history, and really ultimately, we heard her family members also talking about that connection to her children. And when I was watching this take place, I thought, I've seen clients do this in front of judges before. I always talk about their children, their separation from the children. And judges who have been around, at least judges in Arizona, my experience is that they would say, why didn't you think about your kids before you did this instead of thinking about them now after you've been convicted? But I think this jury didn't have that sense of the world and did look at her and her age and her lack of criminal history and did, in essence, cut her that break. So I do think she got off easy. I don't know if she was ever offered a plea, if she beat the plea, but this certainly was, as we heard in the clip before, as Vinny said, a huge victory for the defense.
But I would suggest that this state's also a little bit different because in Missouri, she was accused of murdering her husband, and yet she was out in her home, house arrest monitor, on her own recognizance. And when I had a legal analyst on from Missouri, they said that's not that unusual in Missouri.